Hey guys, here today with a short review. I just wanted to show you how amazing this mini Windows PC is. So just now, that was the boot time. It was about 10 seconds. Therefore, you will never be waiting to go ahead and get watching your movies or working, whatever this you're going to use this for. So now signing in. That's very quick too. Let me just turn on the remote that came with it. This is the remote right here. And as you can see, compared to my hand, it's similar to a Xbox controller. And I really enjoy it. It's quite easy to use, and I don't know, I honestly think that it's probably the perfect combo for me because I can type on it quickly. The mouse is good enough. The touchpad is a little small, but I'm honestly already used to it, and it's better than having a big keyboard that you have to have with you on the couch or whatnot. Alright, sorry, let me try to focus it on that better. Alright, that's good. So I'm just going to show you the overall performance of it. So navigating through here, let's show you that. Go to PC settings. There you go. Alright, so yeah, that opens up quickly as you can see, and something that I do want to show you because this is great with many cheaper Windows PCs and tablets. You don't have much space, but you guys can't see in the video right there because it's not focusing correctly, but you have 17 gigabytes available to you. And that's actually after I already downloaded everything. But let me just show you. Here's a desktop. As you see, that opens very quickly. Let me open up Chrome because that's a full Windows application. It's not like from the not the Play Store, the Windows Store. It's not from there. It's downloaded from the web. So let me open this up, and here we go. I have clicked it right now, and it's open just like that. Let me just show you that one more time. So I have slow Wi-Fi. I will admit it. We're still on DSL. So watch how fast that Google loads. Like the actual icon loads. So here we go. I'm going to press it right now. There we go. Pressed it, and it takes about a second. Let me just do a search. Which I'll just search iPod because I know that there's a 6th gen iPod coming out. But yeah, see how quick that loads up. Now, for me, on like all my phones and other things, it would probably take an additional second or two on top of that. So the Wi-Fi on this is insanely fast. And down here, you can't see it, but I have 4 bars. I'm all the way on the other side of my house where most of my other devices get 1 to 2 bars. I have 4 out of 5 bars. So that's great. And just one more speed test. Here's another application. Let me just show you this, and I'm clicking it right now. Never mind. I don't know if that worked. Nope, didn't click it. Sorry. That was... Oh, I did. Okay, that one took a little bit of time to open. Let me try that again, because I think I misclicked it or something. I don't know. That was weird, but here we go. Click it. And there we go. That time it worked. And it's opened that quick. And this is a free text editing. Got this for my dad because he doesn't like Windows or anything. Well, Microsoft Word. He doesn't like Microsoft Word. So here's this, and it's like all the text shows up right away. So that's just showing you the latency from the remote. There isn't any from the remote. That's why I say that this is actually a great deal that they include this, and it's free. So I don't see a need to go out and buy a keyboard or anything like that. Earlier with clicking it, that was my fault. I clicked the wrong button, I just realized. So yeah, honestly, this whole setup, super speedy, and this is with 2 fingers scrolling right now, so that's fun. That's with the touchpad too on the remote. So it has 3-finger multi-touch too. So like I'm saying, this remote is impressive. It's a tiny little touchpad, but it has 3-point touch capability. And using this like for movie watching purposes, Netflix, whatnot, it's great because, like I said, fast, app loading times, boot up time, and also the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi on this is, like I said, insane. So, yeah, here's this in action. Let me just boot up one last app so you can see. Hill climb. Alright. There we go. And let's just play around. I'll focus this again. Alright, here we go. So now you can see how good the graphics are on this. Because, yes, I know this isn't the most demanding game ever, for sure. But I have used older Windows desktops that actually stutter when playing this game. It's kind of sad. But everything's smooth, as you can see. So, obviously, that's great. If you want to do some light gaming on this, it'll do just that. And it can also play Asphalt 8, I'm sure, because I've played that on tablets that have the same CPU and less RAM. So I know that it'll play those like apps similar to that very well. So that's that, guys. This is my review of, well, this isn't my review. Read my written review because that gets more in depth about daily use and technical specs and whatnot. This is just me showing you around and letting you see how fast and fluid this is. So yeah, there you go. See, this is just me clicking through all of my open apps. See how quick that is? Crazy. Alright, guys. That's that. Now, let me just end by saying that the package, overall, I believe is the best package you could get. Comes with this awesome remote. Where is it? There she is. This awesome remote, which is comfortable to hold, easy to use, and overall perfect for this whole setup if you're using it for media. And this little mini PC is super fast. It's also probably the cheapest way that you can get a Windows desktop, because yeah, you could use a tablet for one, but that's kind of pointless because then you have the whole, like, you have to hook it up with your HDMI, but then you also have to have the charger connected, and you have the screen issue, so you always have that one light, and tablets are more expensive, so this is a permanent solution, very cheap, especially for what you get. So that's that. Oh, one last thing, actually. Before I go, I want to show you guys this. So as soon as you get it and hook it up to your HDMI, you might not notice sound coming out. So what you got to do is go ahead and search. So there's a search key on the remote. Hit that, and then just search up sound. And oops, sorry, I spelled it wrong. And then when you get there, click sound, and you'll have, go right here, and you'll have your box, and it'll have that as default. But what you want to do is click on that, and you want to deselect it, and it'll say something like, it'll have a box and it'll be checked for default. Uncheck that, and then select whatever TV you have it connected to. So that's how you'll fix your sound issue. If you have it, you may not. But alright, this is my review for this, guys, and have a nice day.